Targeting with the trend channel is a really solid, technically sound method that traders like to use. And I'm going to go grab a drawing tool here. I'm going to go grab the trend channeling tool, and I'm going to just draw a trend line up the bottom of the channel here, kind of best as I can, ballparking that trend zone. And I'm just going to throw the top of that trend line out there on the top, kind of picking off as many common tops as possible. And so I put that in where it shaves off the top of, one of those, but it hits the other. So that's a ballpark channel. Now, it's a little subjective because I'm the one who drew it. But you look at where we've got our profit target placed on this particular trade on flow from the scouting reports. We got it out at 24.50. And as I zoom in and look at that, if you notice that that target out there is right up at the top of the channel. So if we were to get a really nice run up to the top of the channel, we would hit that profit target along the way. So channeling is, again, just a geometric assessment of price action and trend and the angle of trend, and it's taking into consideration things like the typical swing and the potential standard deviations in price and the uptrend, and it gives very realistic targets. Again, the key is learning how to draw good trend channels so that that subjective line that you draw becomes a little bit more objective because you're doing it correctly. You're drawing it on as many pivot points as possible. Trend channels are very good for profit targeting in both uptrends and downtrends. And it's a very powerful technique that we use here in the step system at Tackle Trading that'll help you lock in those gains more consistently. And again, the more technical methods that line up for your profit targets, the better, the more probability you have of locking in those gains.